Good morning students. In this video we are going to see map reading activity. Study the population distribution map of Kolhapur district and answer the following questions. Textbook page number 8. Kolhapur. Distribution of population. Look at the map very carefully. This map is made by using dot method. Look at the index. Now questions and answers. Which method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district? The dot method has been used to show the distribution of population in the district. Question number 2. Explain the direction-wise distribution of population from dense to sparse. The answer: the distribution of population is dense in the eastern part of the district, whereas the western part of district has low density of population. Question number 3. What is the population shown by the largest circle? Which place is that? Answer: the population shown by the largest circle is nearly 20 lakhs. The place is Kolhapur city. Question number 4. Which taluka has the least population? Gaganbawda taluka has the least population. Thank you. Students, in this video we are going to see one activity, map reading. Read the map given below and answer the questions. Textbook page number 5. Map of Kolhapur district. Density of rural population. Look at the map very carefully. Look at the index. Population more than 400, less than 200. Density of population. Now questions. In which direction is the density of population decreasing? Answer: the density of population is decreasing towards the north and south direction. Question number 2. Name the talukas with population density less than 200. Answer: Shahuwadi, Gaganbawda, Ajra, Chandgarh have a population density of less than 200. Question number 3. Name the talukas having population density between 200 and 400. Radhanagari and Gargoti have population density between 200 and 400. Next question. Name the talukas with population density more than 400. Answer: Kolhapur, Panhada, Hatkanangale, Shirod, Gandhilgunj, Kagal have the population density more than 400. Question number 5. In which direction are the talukas having higher density of population located in the district? Answer: the eastern part of Kolhapur has the high density of population. Which method has been used in making of this map? Choropleth method is used in making this map. Thank you. Good morning students. In this video we are going to see one activity, map reading. Look at the page number 4. Read the map given below and answer the questions. Map of Amravati district. Average annual rainfall. Look at the questions and try to give the answers. In which part of the district is the rainfall more? The rainfall is more in the northern part of district. Question number 2. In which direction is the rainfall decreasing? Answer: rainfall is decreasing towards the west. Question number 3. What is the lowest value of rainfall in the district? Answer. The lowest value of the rainfall in the district is less than 800 millimeter. Question number 4. What is the highest value of rainfall in the district? The answer is the highest value of the rainfall in the district is more than 1300 millimeter. Question number 5. What is the amount of rainfall in the central part of the district? Answer. The amount of rainfall in the central part of the district is 900 millimeter. Thank you. Good morning students. In this video we are going to see some questions and answers. Those are based on the map. So this is a map reading activity. Read the map given below and answer the questions. Page number 5. Kolhapur district. Average annual rainfall. Look at the map. Question number 1. In which direction is the rainfall more in the district? Answer. The rainfall is more in the western part of the district. Question number 2. In which direction is the rainfall decreasing? Answer. The rainfall is decreasing towards the east. Question number 3. Which class shows low rainfall category in the district? Answer. 0 to 600 millimeter class shows low rainfall category in the district. Question number 4. Which class shows high rainfall category in the district? More than 2400 class shown high rainfall category in the district. Question number 5. Which method has been used in making this map? Answer. The isoplate method has been used in making this map. Thank you.